So Unit 2 is trigonometry. But before you watch the unit or the videos on trigonometry, I want you to go through the worksheet that you have, Basic Geometry Worksheet, and really review these assumptions, okay? Because when we go through trigonometry in the grade 11 level, there's the assumption that you already know all of this about triangles. And so if you don't, that's fine, but make sure you review it before you start watching the other video. So the main assumption is that a triangle is a polygon with 3 sides and 3 angles, and all of those angles have to equal 180 degrees. Okay, so work through this worksheet. The key will be posted. So like here, if we know angle G and J, and we want to know angle H, we know the sum of all 3 angles is 180 degrees. We just subtract the other 2, and we get that angle H equals 104 degrees. Okay, here it looks like in 2A it looks like we only are given one angle, but when you see this little box in the corner, that means that that angle is 90 degrees. So these two will have to equal 90 degrees together, because 180 minus 90 is 90. So you can do 90 degrees minus 56, that equals 34, or you can just go back to your 180 rule. Go 180 minus 90 minus 56 equals 34 degrees. Okay, then go through and make sure you understand the differences between the types of triangles. So the right angle triangle, like we just talked about, right angle means 90 degrees. You have an acute triangle. All 3 angles have less than 90 degrees, but they still equal 180 degrees. They have to. That is a rule of a triangle. Then you have an obtuse triangle, and you'll see here it's quite a wide angle like that. So one angle is greater than 90 degrees. Only one angle, otherwise it wouldn't work. Then you have an equilateral triangle. So all 3 sides are equal, all 3 triangles are equal, and that's denoted by those lines like that. Okay, and then an isosceles triangle has 2 sides that are equal, and then so the 2 angles opposite those sides are equal. So whenever we label a triangle, so you have A, B, C for the angles. The side that corresponds with that angle is opposite. So side A would be down here, side B would be over here, and side C is over there. Okay, so and then lastly, there's a scalene triangle, and basically is that no sides or angles are equal in this, so you can't make any assumptions. So go through this worksheet, make sure you're very, very, very comfortable with triangles, and then go watch the video with the notes, okay? And email me if you have any questions. Thanks.